Hello everybody and welcome back to day 19 of Cubemas. We only got a few days left here. I'm sad. But let's see what puzzle we get for day 19. We're getting really close. Let's see. This one's heavy. Right there. Got a little 19 on it. By the lantern there. Let's see what we got. Oh. Shiny. Shiny. Shing Shao. Looks like it's just a metallic 3x3, which is cool. It's going to look sick. Oh, it's got gold on it. That's cool. I know how to solve a 3x3. Get that manual. Oh, no. We're dropping things. Comes with a stand. Okay, low-key. Transparent stand is a vibe. Let's just get this like this. Transparent stand is pretty cool looking. I think that's going to be sick. This might be like my show-off puzzle, honestly. Ugh. Okay. Alright. Okay. What would be really cool is if it was magnetic. It's not, but it actually... I mean, it's loose, so if you get it out of alignment, that's tough. But if your turning is accurate... Wow. That actually turns pretty good. Would you put some lube in there, slow it down? It'd probably be a really decent, like, non-magnetic speed cube. Bro, is this WCA legal? Can I use this? Comment down below if this is WCA legal. I want to know. If I can find a way to magnet mod this, bro, this would be a really cool cube. Okay. Well... We're going to give it a solve. Hold on a second. Let me pull up an actual 3x3 scramble. We'll do a real scramble here. All right. So we'll start with green here. Let's pull up a real scramble. You have to get used to the colors for sure. You'd 100% have to get used to the colors. You know, if you magnetize this, lubed it up to slow it down, this would be a really good speed cube. Like, actually. Alright, let's give it a go. Oh, man. Okay, yeah, the colors, you definitely have to get used to the colors, but... Oh. I got a gold and orange edge confused with each other. And that's not correct. Okay. Soon? "42 seconds. We can do better." I'm just going to hand scramble this one. Okay, yeah, so the gold, like the gold yellow color and the orange, they're very similar. It's hard to tell on camera, but like off camera, when you're looking at it with your eyeballs, it is very similar. Okay, let's give it a quick peek here. Okay. That's orange. I hope. Nope, it was not. There we go. $29. Yeah, if you got used to the colors, you could solve this just as you could easily get sub 15 on this. What a cool puzzle. I mean, yeah, it's a 3x3, but I'm just so surprised that it turns so well. Let's do a checkerboard. Oh, that looks so nice. That looks it looks incredible. Nice showpiece. Very reflective. I really like the blue and the green. I think it looks really good. That's actually really cool. Well, not a shape mod today, which is neat. We just got a metallic 3x3. This will be really cool for my collection. You put it on the shelf, it'd be a nice showpiece. And I still think you could theoretically upgrade and mod this a bit to make it a viable speed cube. Because it turns really well. I mean, look at this. You can spam TPS on this and it locks up a little bit, but wow. Holy cow. Alright. Yeah. Okay, well yeah, then we might have a future video here. Well, anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 20. Cool. What a pleasant surprise. All right. Peace out.